After you have solved the first layer, we can move to the second layer or the middle layer. In the middle layer, there are only 4 edge pieces to solve. And in this video, you will be taught to solve the middle layer. After this video, you will see that you have solved the first 2 layers of the cube. The middle layer solving is very easy because it requires only the positioning of the 4 edge pieces. We need to solve them in this way that the first layer is not messed up. So we use some algorithms to solve them. We will have to first locate the edge pieces which you have to solve. Like here, the blue and orange edge piece is here and the orange color sticker is in bottom. I said this because we have to look at the sticker which faces towards you, not upwards. We have the blue and the orange edge piece. So we'll match it up with the orange centerpiece like this. And now, as you can see that we have to put the edge piece in the right direction. Means that we have to put in its right side. So we'll perform a simple algorithm to solve this out, which is U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And now as you can see the edge piece in its position. Another case is when we have to put the edge piece in its left side. Like here, the red and the green edge piece is here and the green sticker is facing outwards. Now let's match it up with the green centerpiece. And now as you can see that we have to put this in its left direction. And again we have to perform a simple algorithm, which is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. And now as you can see we have put the edge piece in its correct position. One interesting case is when the edge piece is correctly positioned but is flipped or incorrectly oriented. We don't have any other algorithm for that. What we do is to hold the cube in any orientation. But do remember to hold that color of which colors of the edge piece is flipped. Like here, the green and the orange edge piece is flipped. So we'll hold the cube whether in orange color in front or the green color in front side as per your comfort. So if we hold the cube in the green side in front, then the right side algorithm is used. So we perform the algorithm, which is U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And now as you can see the flipped edge is out and is on the top layer. Now you can solve the edge piece and then your case will be solved. If we have held the cube with the orange color side in front, then we will have to perform the algorithm of the left side. So that's all for part 4. Whatever you learned today is only the half part for solving the cube through the beginner level. In the next video, we are going to start with the solving of the orienting of last layer. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.